So now let's see how we can work around with web browser plugin inside of ChatGPT. So to do that, I'm going to go around onto Explore GPT's section right here. And if I were to go around onto ChatGPT section, then you can see that web browser is an option. So if I were to go around and click on Start Chat around over here just like this, then it says I can browse the web to help you gather information or conduct research right here. So let's say, for example, I can go around and say, give me a list of websites related to cooking pancakes right here, let's say, for example. So if I were to go around and do that, then what happens is that it searches out for web, as you can see right here, and then it'll give me results on the basis of that right here. So it's searching for cooking pancakes right here. So now, once you do that, it says here are some excellent websites for finding pancake recipes. And then you can see that it gives me the search results right here, just like this. So it is simply like a search engine that you can talk to right here. So you can go around and ask it out things. Let's say, for example, you can go around and ask it like, let's say, for example, give me a list of websites where I can find free images right here. So let's just go around and type this in, and then what happens is that it gives me the list of websites that that has free images, as you can see right here, just like this. And that is how you can utilize the web browser right here to search for contents right here as well. You can also give it a URL and then let's say, for example, summarize the content of that particular website. Let's say, for example, I can copy out this link and I can paste this out and I can say summarize the content of this link right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, it searches out for web right here, and then what happens is that it goes around and summarizes out the content of that page just like that as well. So that is how you can go around and utilize the web browser inside of ChatGPT. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.